Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. It is currently a balmy 47 degrees foolish. That makes it about 8 degrees civilized. It's cloudy and breezy, and it's going to rain all day. But on the bright side, it's looking like Hank's transmission is going to be done and ready to reinstall this coming weekend. That won't be in this video, but in the next. And yeah. And while this is definitely not my dooryard, this is the thing that's been consuming a lot of my time, as the wifely has officially opened her new shop. Say hi, wifely.
Hi.
And in her shop, Bonnie's hanging out her open sign. She is selling a bunch of craft items that she's made. She's looking for some consigners who will be, that come out really cool. But she's selling some baby clothes and a bunch of towels and stuff. And we're selling coffee. And we're still in the process of setting up. But there was a downtown event that just happened this past Saturday that she was open for, and that was her menu. And, you know, did a little bit better than break even. And she's got all her certifications and licenses and all that stuff now.
Oh yeah, I have to put up my license once I get it from the state.
Okay.
She thought it was mailed already. I said, I haven't received it.
Well, it's probably sitting at the post office then.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
But, yeah, she's getting set up here. You know, this side is pretty much all ready to rip. When are your doors coming?
October 17th, I think. Like that.
Well, that's coming right up.
Yeah.
We've got to put a pair of doors in over here. And I'm sure that'll fall to yours truly. But on this side will be a place to visit with the kitties that will be available for adoption. I've got a wood panel covering that opening that'll have a cat door in it. I've already got it all mocked up. Oh, geez, easy, easy. Bonnie will get it painted and we'll get that set back up. I made a cat fountain today. But we're going to try and get this side a little bit more organized and straightened out and get the entertainment up and running. And Lemony Jello's down in here somewhere today. Oh, there he is. Meow! He says. He's checking it all out, making sure everything's going to work out okay. Just come right up here. No? Okay. Okay, I got a couple more things done. I got Bonnie's menu board hanging. And in here, I got that board that's going up in this window. All sanded off so Bonnie can do the painting on it. I don't know. Maybe we still got quite a bit of straightening up and cleaning up in here to do. Is Lemony Jello.
Do you know where the wrench is now?
Alright, so I'd like to thank you guys for sticking around watching this level of shenanigans. I know I didn't film all the stuff that I intended to down to Bonnie's shop, but yeah, we got a pretty good charge done. Got her sign hung for the inside for a menu board. And Got the cat side cleaned up some and got her, she got her board painted and got that hung back up and reinstalled. Did lots of cleaning. But that's like 90% of everything, isn't it? Just cleaning. Yeah. Please like, subscribe, click the little bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. We have t-shirts available on both our Patreon and our Square site, and links for those will be down in the description. Thank you guys for sticking around. We'll catch you next time. This has been Empty Pockets production.